Greetings! What I have today is, to me, really exciting because I don't get to do this often, but I have an unboxing to do. StationeryPal wrote to me and asked if I would like to do a collaboration with them and do an unboxing of supplies they have on their website. They have all sorts of stuff, like mostly stationery stuff, as you can probably tell, but they also have art supplies, and that really caught my eye, and I decided that I wanted to give those a try. So I got this box, in which there is another box. So you can tell that this is a sort of a really cute subscription style box. I really like these kind of boxes because I end up reusing them for all sorts of stuff, so let's open it. Alright, you're gonna say, oh Ev, why is this cut? Thing is, I filmed this once. Like, I started filming and there was a problem with my footage, so I had to start over. So I put everything back and I can't put the sticker back together, so I'm sorry. Let's take a look at what's in there. So first of all, like I said, really cute packaging. I like this custom sticker that I guess it means that it's their 4th birthday, so happy birthday, StationeryPal. The bubble wrap plastic is really cool. It's little hearts instead of just bubbles. There's a bunch of stuff in there. There's a lot of extra goodies as well. So I will go through the stuff in there and I will put the box just over there. This way it's a bit easier. So let's get a couple of things out. So what I'm seeing is, hold on, let me see. So this is a bunch of free goodies that they added to my box, which I think is really, really kind. This one is a acrylic. You have to peel off the protective plastic. It's a little pin. Keychain. Oh, yeah, this. And this as well. So I think, yep, this is all the sort of free goodies that were included in my box, which is pretty amazing. Kind of a pop socket, a clip. So clips like these are super helpful. I use them a lot. I like that they're plastic clips, and I often use them when my sketchbook is open and the pages won't stay put. I will clip a bunch of pages together with a clip like this one. Then we have a bell, a cute keychain, a cute little bear that you can probably put on your bag or on a keychain as well. A little toque. It says love. You can put on your fingers or your pen, I don't know. This cute pin that says Wanderlust, and then we have a card that says thank you for being there no matter what. And there's a really kind message on the back, and it's addressed to me like custom. So I really appreciate them taking the time to do the handwritten card and add all these goodies in there. They don't have to do that, but I think it's really kind that they do. So this first item, I know it is a fragile item, and I took a risk putting it into my order, and it kind of came in broken, which is not surprising. I mean, look how thin this is. This is really like breakable. However, this part is intact. If I can get the rubber, okay. And it's a dip pen, and what I will do is, as you can see, I don't have really big hands, I have small hands. I will just tape the sharp hand, and I can still use this as a dip pen. So I just rolled a piece of washi tape at the end, and it's like it covers up the sharp end well for now, so that will do. All right, next item is this pen, and what I really liked about this pen is that it's a white pen, and it says it's a gouache pen. It says gouache, but you know, it's gouache pen. And I wanted to test it out to see how opaque it would be on paint and artwork. So this is why I got this item. Another writing instrument here that I have is a platinum fountain pen. I love the container. It's like a big test tube. Comes with a converter, which is much appreciated. And it's this yellow fountain pen. There were many colors, but I chose yellow. And also what I really like is that the nib, as you can see, has little flowers on it. It comes with platinum cartridge. So these are Platinum's special cartridges. They're not like international cartridges. You kind of have to buy from Platinum to get the proper cartridges. I got a second converter. These are quite cool. They're like piston converters. They're a bit difficult to get started, but once you do, you have this sort of piston that you can move back and forth to fill with ink. Other small supplies I got, we have this really cool eraser from Plus. There are the Plus Air In erasers. I really like these, and they always come up with special erasers that when you use them up, they eventually end up looking like Mount Fuji. See this star when you sort of use the eraser to make it more like pointy? The orange part will go and you will end up with the white part in the middle, make like the snow crest of Mount Fuji. So this was the autumn special edition, which is why the color is orange, I think. And I also got a washi tape. This one is not per se art supplies, but I thought it was really, really cute. It's a cute cat washi tape. It's kind of subtle and mostly white, and I feel like they really look good in planners because they're not overwhelming. So I really like this one for that. Alright, now we're gonna move on to the slightly bigger items. This is probably the item I was the most excited about. These are 2 pads of watercolor paper by Bahong, and I got hot press in 300 GSM, and they also had cold press in 200 GSM. So these are great papers, and they can be really expensive to buy. But on the StationeryPal website, I thought the price was really good, and I was really excited to see them there. They're really good paper, and this is like great news if you want to find a way to acquire more affordable watercolor paper. Alright, next item. So like I said, I had to restart the video, so these are unwrapped, but they were wrapped in plastic. Very well wrapped, and they had this label. And basically these are foldable storage containers. It's pretty straightforward. If you've ever had bento boxes made especially for sandwiches, you probably are familiar with this concept, but basically you fold out the sides and then the short sides, and you can clip them together here. Clip. Clip. And there you go, a small storage box that is, you know, quite sturdy, quite handy. This is a good size, I feel. And another thing that is quite interesting is that you can stack them up. They stack up really well. So if you can see those little notches here, they help when you stack them up. They don't lock them in place, but like they won't move. So if you pile up your storage boxes and you nudge one up, it's not gonna fall off the pile, which I think is really, really cool. This is quite a small size, but I think it's perfect if you want to either put odds and ends from your desk in it, like washi tape, your eraser, like stuff that you use often but that always ends up all over the place. You can just use this to put them all in. And also I think it will be great to store up my Patreon stickers. So I got 4 of these. They're great. Also, if at some point you decide that you don't need to use these anymore, you can store them so easily, and they take like no space at all. Like they're super flat. This is much easier to store than any kind of regular plastic bin storage. By the way, the packaging is really, really cute. I like, they have these little like paper frills and all these paper confettis. Oh, I don't know what that is. Oh, I know what it is. That was hidden in the box. Oh, there's another one. But I think these are thingies so that when you open these pads, I think these are blocks possibly. And when you work with blocks, it helps if you have something to separate the sheets. And I think this is what these are for. Like super handy, small way to cut off your sheet of paper. I love these. I have bigger things for that. I have like something like this, but I love the idea of a smaller one that can easily fit in your travel set. That was a nice surprise. But as I was saying, these confettis, if you are really into stationery, they're a really fun addition that you can add into your planner. You just put a bit of two-sided tape on the back or just a bit of glue and you can add them in. And I think they're fun for arts and crafts. So you don't have to toss everything of the packaging in the bin. I think it's stuff that is really easy to reuse. So anyway, finally, the last item. With keeping up with the idea of testing out art supplies from StationeryPal, I saw these watercolor brushes. And I was like, I have to try these. The box is really nice. It's a, it's a sturdy box. And it works as a drawer, but it's capped at the end, so it can only open this way, which is much appreciated. And then the brushes come packaged in a roll of paper. So initially, these had tubing protecting them, like the regular plastic tubes. I already took it off, that's why it's not there. And there are 6 brushes. Now the handles, they feel really nice. They are soft, they're smooth. The ferrules, they look, nicely attached, so no wobbly ferrule at the moment. There is 1 flat brush and 5 round brushes, so a total of 6. This one is a bit fuzzy at the moment because it had come out of its tubing, but I will wash it and see what I can do. They're all like stiff, so I need to wash them all anyway. But you have this flat in a size 4, and then you have a size 0, a size 1, a size 2, a size 3, and a size 5 in the round. This is going to be the first part of a 2-part upload. The first part is this unboxing, and the second part I'll get everything set up and ready so that I can try the supplies and show you what they are like. Again, thank you very much to StationeryPal for sending me these supplies. I'll have all the links in the description to everything I've shown in the video, and also I have a special discount code for 12% off, so all the info about that will be in the description as well. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys in part 2. Bye!